Hey guys, welcome back. So I was going to do a Hobby Lobby haul, but I've lost my footage. So we're going to do a grilling area update and a backyard update. We got some projects underway, so I hope that you're here for it. It's not going to be a long video, but it's going to be something. So let's get into it, and thanks for being here. All right. So we have started putting up the hand railing, and he has put a little bar here. Anyways, the hand railing here, he's got it framed out. We're going to put the tin right here. Of course, we're going to stain this the same color, but the railing is going to go all the way around except for this little door area. Now, I'm not sure, is he going to make like a little swinging door or just leave it open like that? But this was good for storage too. We got our little trash barrel, our charcoal starter. Over here we keep our charcoal. And I think we're gonna put the stain on this. But the top right here, I suggested that maybe he should burn it to really draw out this wood pattern, because I really think that's pretty. And then maybe epoxy it. And for the back wall, it's going to be like the concrete board like you put in the bathroom, something that can withstand moisture. And then we're going to put like either a faux, I don't think a faux rock wall would be good out here because of the moisture. But we might put like the rock or slate stuff on the little bit of wall that's going to go on each side, because a TV's going in the middle. And then he's going to take the dog ear fence pickets and run them horizontally all the way. And he said he was going to keep this part open. We are getting rid of the pool. It just is too costly, and we only got in it once this year, so it's going. And we tried to give it away, but nobody was interested. So we're going to tear it down and haul it off. And he had said something about maybe getting like a stock tank and making like a little chill area, but I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, that's the plans for the little grilling area. And he did him a little Hobby Lobby haul on his channel. And we put the light up, or the light fixture, and then that's just one of them rechargeable bulbs that I just did in my living room decorate video. I love them bulbs. And he got him a little Texaco thermometer, little signs. Yeah, that's our little update. So I wanted to talk about, as far as the other channel, I have let him run with it because I just did not want to get too overwhelmed. My channel, my community and stuff, I didn't want to take away from that to do another channel, and it just was too much for me. So that's why it's his channel now. He does his thing, the things he likes to do, stuff with cars, four-wheelers, builds, all that good stuff. So yeah. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm sorry it wasn't that long, but I will see y'all Tuesday for another Decorate with Me. And I hope y'all have a fantastic day. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Stay blessed.